round of applause. We also have our Dr. V. Sagar Sharma. He is a very prominent personality. So please give them a round of applause to all of you. Please, audience, welcome them, Mr. Arvind Singh Chauhan and Dr. V. Sagar Sharma with your thunder of claps. Welcome, sir. Today is the big day to think how far flung we have come.
And how far we have to go. Along with the multifarious strength and trumps,
there is much more to thrive and much more to show. Let's enjoy the majestic journey
this establishment had up to now. Let's raise a toast to make it even much more better now.
A very good afternoon to esteemed and honorable chief guest, principal, vice principal, academic coordinator, invited guests and our lovely parents.
How different is this day?
Well, you will discover yourself when the colors of the events unfolds. Here we are all together as a family to mark another landmark of the success in the history of one of the leading schools in the town, Rising Star School, Udaipur. We are here to celebrate our second annual day, Abhinandan 2024. I, Kavita,
and I, Alisha, welcome you all on the behalf of the entire Rising Star family to the October gathering for the talent show of Rising Star.
The motto of our annual day is to encourage students to participate in various events, and because of that, Rising Star giving 100% participation of the students. Rising Star has always believed that the children are the future that will help you in making our country great. And to encourage this idea, Rising Star School inspire and motivate young minds to showcase their talent and realize their potential.
Yes, ma'am, I'm completely agree with you.
Today, we are privileged to have with us a leader whose vision and dedication have profoundly shaped our college community. He is none other than Dr. V. Sagar Sharma. His work on academic excellence, innovative curriculum, inclusive environment, holistic development is just incredible. On 23rd September, he is also appointed as a Commonwealth Parliamentary Association Coordinator. Thank you, sir, for giving us your precious time. Moving ahead for the badge ceremony, I request Ridhima and Guntaj to offer a badge to our chief guest as a mark of respect. मंजूर हो तो मीठी मीठी तालियां हो जाए, क्योंकि ये शानदार सा प्रोग्राम हम आपके नाम करते हैं, हम आपके नाम करते हैं। So now audience, get ready for a heavy dose of entertainment.
Welcome to a world of rhythm, melody and expression. A world where every step narrates a story, every twirl paints a canvas of emotion.
Dancing is like a dream. With your feet, nobody cares if you can't well dance. Just get up and dance. Great dancers are not great because of their technique, but they are great because of their passion.
Now it's time to call on the stage the welcome dance group students to come on the stage and rock and roll the stage.
Please put your hands together and clap for them. Your clap is very important for our children.
We welcome you all in this event.
Just clap your hands. Just clap your hands. Just clap your hands.
I like the moving, moving. I like the moving, moving. I like the moving, moving. We like the moving. I like the moving, moving. She like the moving, moving. He like the moving, moving. We like the keep on jumping off the floor, dancing till your feet to soar. Party hard just like it's Mardi Gras, 'cause that's what life is for. And we don't party hardly, we just party hard. And not because we bored, we party 'cause we born apart. That's why keep on, yes, that's why keep on, yes, that's why keep on doing what I'm doing, y'all. I like the moving, moving. I like the moving, moving. I like the moving, moving. We like the moving. I like the moving, moving. She like the moving, moving. He like like to move it, move it. We like to move it. I like to party, party. He like to party, party. They like to party, party. We like to party. She like to shake it, shake it. She like to shake it, shake it. He like to shake it, yeah. Somebody say yeah. Say yeah, yeah. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Back it up, 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 back it up. Give me room, give me room, give me room, cuz we like to party, party. We like to party, party. We like to party, party. We like to we like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. They like to move it, 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 move it.
मन मचल के मोर होना चाहिए, इस शानदार सी शाम में थोड़ा शोर होना चाहिए। दिखाने को तो हम रात भर डांस दिखाएं आपको, मगर आपके तालियों में भी जोर होना चाहिए, आपके तालियों में भी जोर होना चाहिए। प्लीज़ गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज।
I request Guntaj for the badge ceremony of Yadunandan Mahajan.
Now I would like to call the dance upon the stage for group snap.
Body bad baby Mary, I body bad baby. Baby Mary, I body bad baby.
I welcome Pankaj Gupta, Principal of Medical College, Executive Engineer at Mr. Meet, and I request Guntaj to do the honor and do the badge ceremony.
चमका चमका मेरिया में चम चम करके चमका, लावा झंडू पाम च नच दे पैजन थमका।
मन मचल के मोर होना चाहिए, इस शानदार सी शाम में थोड़ा शोर होना चाहिए। दिखाने को तो हम रात भर डांस दिखाएं आपको, मगर आपकी तालियों में भी तो जोर होना चाहिए, मगर आपकी तालियों में भी तो जोर होना चाहिए।
You also have this talent. You didn't tell me before.
Yes, ma'am. Today I'm feeling like I am multilinguistic.
And what made you say that?
Well, ma'am, I think you don't know me. I am good in Hindi, in English, as well as in French also.
What? You said French?
Yes, ma'am, French. You can try me.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course.
Audience, you want me to try her? If you say yes, then will I try her. Say it loudly. Okay. So, Charul, tell me the meaning of Kamavati Lu.
Simple. कितने ताले खोलूं?
No, it's definitely not. It means, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you. Ma'am, please try another one.
Okay, but you have to this time answer correctly, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, the answer of this question is Zavarium.
Oh, it's very simple. This is the sweetest thing in the world. That is jalebiyan.
No, it's again wrong. It means I am fine. But now I am done with your friend. So let's get back to the business. Finally, this is the time for you to have some fun and enjoy. But before that, we want to ask you some question, you Charul.
No, ma'am, I know. You're going to ask me very tough questions.
No, I will ask you a simple question and I know you will give answer easily. All you have to do is, I will sing a main line of the song and you have to sing another line of that particular song. So the line is, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू?
Something Mastani or Zindagani can be the other line.
No, this is not the complete line, Charul.
Oh, audience, can you please tell me what is the another line so that I can tell to ma'am? Audience, please help me.
I think this time audience will not help you, Charul.
Okay, so I myself got the line. आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीत जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू,
चलिया तू चलिया. And yes, that is the right answer, and I think now audience get what is coming next. So our next performance is retro dance by our senior KG students.
So are you ready? A louder yes. So let's welcome our little kids who are going to perform their retro dance. Students, please come on the stage.
The students of senior KG are going to present a dance before you. Thank you.
इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल. प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल.
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल. कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल.
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल.
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल.
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल.
तेरे हम सफर है, मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के, मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के, मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के, मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के.
नैनों से नैना जो मिला के देखे, मौसम के साथ मुस्कुरा के देखे, दुनिया उसी की है जो आगे देखे.
नैनों से नैना जो मिला के देखे, मौसम के साथ मुस्कुरा के देखे, दुनिया उसी की है जो आगे देखे. मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के, मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के, मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के, मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के.
चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे, कहने दो जी कहता रहे, हम प्यार के तूफानों में घिरे हैं, हम क्या करें. चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे, कहने दो जी कहता रहे, हम प्यार के तूफानों में घिरे हैं, हम क्या करें. चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे,
शंकर कांटा लगे न कंकर. जय जय शिव शंकर, कांटा लगे न कंकर, के प्याला तेरे नाम का पिया.
गिर जाऊंगी मैं, मर जाऊंगी, जो तुमने मुझे थाम लिया, आसार दी.
जय जय शिव शंकर, कांटा लगे न कंकर, के
कमला पगला दीवाना हो रब्बा इतनी सी बात न जाना के ओ मैनू प्यार कर दी है साडे उत्ते वो मर दी है के ओ मैनू प्यार कर दी है हाय 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 साडे उत्ते वो मर दी है।
मैं चली देखो प्यार की गली मुझे रोके ना कोई मैं चली देखो प्यार की गली मुझे रोके ना कोई मैं चली ना 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 मेरी जान देखो जाना ना वहाँ कोई प्यार का लुटेरा लुटे ना मेरी जान मेरी जान देखो जाना ना वहाँ कोई प्यार का लुटेरा लुटे ना मेरी जान देख पापा ला ला डफली बजा मेरे घुंघरू बुलाते हैं मैं नाचूं तू नचा
सारा जमाना हसीनों का दीवाना जमाना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना ए सारा जमाना हसीनों का दीवाना जमाना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना ए सारा जमाना।
बारिश ऐसी हो कि समंदर में तूफान आ जाए, बारिश ऐसी हो कि समंदर में तूफान आ जाए और तालियां ऐसी हो कि महफिल में जान आ जाए, महफिल में जान आ जाए। Well coordinated, your energy fills the stage. Well done, kiddos. I would like to call the dance in charge of this performance on the stage for the group snap.
Now, initially I take the opportunity to invite the person whose action always inspired us to dream more, learn more, do more and become more. The person whose greatness is not measured by what he accomplished but by the work he has done to reach his goal. He is none other than but our principal Sanjeev Suri sir. Please come on the stage and enlighten us with your words.
Good afternoon, all of you. अभिनंदन अभिनंदन अभिनंदन। सबसे पहले आज इस राइजिंग स्टार के प्रांगण में मैं सभी विभूतियों का अभिनंदन करता हूं। आज के कार्यक्रम की रूपरेखा जो रखी गई है वो भी थीम जो है वो अभिनंदन है। इससे क्योंकि कुछ ही देर में हमारे मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय कुलदीप सिंह पठानिया जी स्पीकर विधानसभा पहुंचने वाले हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने भी हमारे समय की कदर करते हुए ऐसी इंस्ट्रक्शन दी है कि आप अपना टाइम से पेरेंट्स को परेशान ना हो। पेरेंट्स भी पंक्चुअल होते हैं, उनको ऐसा ना लगे कि लेट हो रहे हैं, तो आप अपना कार्यक्रम शुरू कर सकते हैं। तो उनकी इजाज़त से हमने कार्यक्रम शुरू किया है। आज मेरी विशेष अतिथि दीर्घा में मेरे और मेरे स्कूल के बच्चों का शान बढ़ाने के लिए, उनको आशीर्वाद देने के लिए जो विभूतियाँ आई है उनका मैं अभिनंदन करता हूँ। हमारे बीच में हमें बच्चों को आशीर्वाद देने के लिए एज ए गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर अरविंद सिंह चौहान जी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफिसर, यंगेस्ट ऑफिसर ऑफ चंबा, ही हैज जॉइंड अस। प्लीज़ वेलकम हिम विद ए बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज। इसके साथ साथ मेरे प्रिय गुरुजी, और आज एक अपना जो है अपनी मेहनत से, अपनी लगन से एक हिमाचल, ना केवल हिमाचल में बल्कि भारत में अपना नाम रोशन कर चुके हैं। और अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही उनको जिस उपाधि से नवाजा गया है वो है जॉइंट डायरेक्टर हायर एजुकेशन। विद्यासागर शर्मा जी यहाँ पे पहुँचे हैं, उनका आशीर्वाद मुझे मिल रहा है। मैं कृतार्थ हूँ सर, आपका स्वागत करता हूँ अपने बच्चों की ओर से, अपने स्टाफ की ओर से। इसके साथ साथ हमारे बीच में MS चंबा श्री विपिन ठाकुर जी भी पहुंचे हैं, मैं उनका भी हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं। मेरे बड़े भाई हमारी गाइडिंग फोर्स NH के एक्सीन मीत सिंह जी भी यहां पे पहुंचे हैं, मैं उनका भी दिल की गहराइयों से अभिनंदन करता हूं। इसके साथ हमारे मेडिकल कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल पंकज गुप्ता जी भी हमें ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं, मैं उनका भी अभिनंदन करता हूं। साथ में ही आप सभी सपोर्टिंग पेरेंट्स जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ तक पहुँचा के आज सक्षम किया कि मैं आपके बच्चों का पालन पोषण कर सकूँ, आपके बच्चों को संस्कार दे सकूँ, आपका दिल की गहराइयों से अभिनंदन करता हूँ, स्वागत करता हूँ। ये कार्यक्रम जो है ना केवल एक प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन है, बल्कि हमारे बच्चों को जो हम संस्कार देते हैं वो संस्कार जो है आपके सामने समक्ष करने का जो है ये समय है। तो अभी मैं सिर्फ अभिनंदन में इतना सा समय लूँगा क्योंकि कुछ ही क्षणों में जो है मुख्य अतिथि महोदय भी पहुँचने वाले हैं, तो हम अभी अपना कार्यक्रम जो है वो जारी रखेंगे। जैसे ही मुख्य अतिथि महोदय बीच में पहुँचने वाले होंगे हम कुछ देर के लिए रोक के कार्यक्रम को रोक के उनका स्वागत करेंगे। तो अभी प्रोसीड करते हैं और इसके बाद ब्रेक के बाद फिर आपसे मिलेंगे और स्कूल की उपलब्धियों के बारे में, स्कूल के प्रपोजल्स के बारे में बताएंगे। तब तक जो है हम अपना फंक्शन एंजॉय करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Charul, I want to ask you another question. Can you answer me?
Yes. Yes, ma'am, I can answer you.
Okay, the question is, tell me about your school experience in Rising Star.
Ma'am, I will tell you with my own lines that what I have learned here. Every time Rising Star School teaches me, मंजिलें मिल जाएंगी एक दिन, इसी हौसले से चलने का इरादा किया है। मंजिलें मिल जाएंगी एक दिन, इसी हौसले से चलने का इरादा किया है। न हारे हैं न हारेंगे कभी, न हारे हैं न हारेंगे कभी, किसी और से नहीं खुद से ये वादा किया है।
Wow, that was actually incredible, and I am completely agree with you, Charul, because Rising Star School has always worked on nurturing students' mind. With this, I want to call on the stage Naman Mahajan to come on the stage and share his view on school.
Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Everest or to the top of your career. A very wonderful afternoon to everyone present here. I am delighted to introduce myself in front of you. I am Naman Mahajan from 11th grade. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you present here for joining us today. A special welcome goes out to our guests, special guests, chief guest and the media persons present here. I have been studying here since 9th grade. The gratitude that I received was something I will always cherish. Here, I learned about all the things that were earlier unknown to me. All the knowledge that I have gained is something that was indebted to my life throughout my journey. My teachers played an invaluable role in shaping of my career. They encouraged me, and dedication inspired me to strive for excellence. They often taught me that failure is often a stepping stone to success. Extracurricular activities also enriched my school experience, whether it was joining debate, school functions, dance or games. These activities allowed me to explore my interests. They taught me the value of teamwork, discipline, time management, and etc. As I reflect my school experience, I realize that I have been more than just academics. As I look ahead, I will carry these memories and lessons with gratitude, ready to embrace the next chapter of my life. In the end, I would like to thank Principal Sir and the teachers of Rising Star Public School that helped me throughout my journey. I would like to thank my parents who encouraged me to enroll in a school that feels like a home. At last, I would like to share a quote. कुछ करना है तो डटकर चल, कुछ करना है तो डटकर चल, थोड़ा दुनिया से हटकर चल, लकीर पे तो सब चलते हैं, लकीर पे तो सब चलते हैं, कभी इतिहास को पलटकर चल। थैंक यू।
Yes, Naman Mahajan, completely justified. The motto of this school, which are creativity leads to think, thinking leads to knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. With this, I want to call on the stage Kushal ma'am for the prize distribution ceremony. Ma'am, please come on the stage.
A very pleasant good afternoon to everyone. Our special guests, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am. Everyone is a star and deserves the right to twinkle. Prize distribution is a memorable, proud, special and most awaited event for every institution as well as for every student. It gives a sense of happiness and a sense of responsibility for fulfilling new commitments with dedication. Now, I request our Principal Sir to escort our honorable special guest, Mr. Vidyasagar Sir, Arvind Singh Chauhan and other dignitaries to please come on the stage for prize distribution. Parents, please give them a big round of applause. Atik Khatri from class nursery got A+ grade. Atik Khatri from class nursery who got A+ grade. Arav Surdyal from class nursery who got A+ grade. Arav Surdyal.
Audience, आपकी तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, please. This is a humble request to you guys.
Aslin Thakur from class nursery who got A+ grade. Aslin Thakur from class nursery who got A+ grade. Anaisha from class nursery who got A+ grade. Anaisha from class nursery who got A+ grade. Anaya Kapoor from class nursery who got A+ grade. Parents, please तालियां होती रहें. Avkirat from class nursery got A+ grade. Avkirat from class nursery got A+ grade. James Park from class nursery got A+ grade. James Park from class nursery got A+ grade. Mitash Kapoor from class nursery got A+ grade. Mitash Kapoor from class nursery got A+ grade. Rabani Singh from class nursery got A+ grade. James Park from class nursery got A+ grade. Vian Chauhan from class nursery got A+ grade. Vian Chauhan from class nursery got A+ grade. Yuveen from class nursery got A+ grade. Now moving to the next class, Akul from class junior KG got A+ grade. Akul from class junior KG got A+ grade. Aryan from class junior KG got A+ grade.
डाउनलोड ग्रो, यह है इंडिया का नंबर 1 स्टॉक ब्रोकर। यहाँ
Garvesh Dhami from class junior KG got A+. Garvesh Dhami from class junior KG got A+. Kedanti Tak from class junior KG got A+. Ojasvi from class junior KG got A+. Ojasvi from class junior KG got A+. Priyansh Kumar from class junior KG got A+. Priyansh Kumar from junior KG got A+. Riyansh from class junior KG got A+. Riyansh from class junior KG got A+. Parents please तालियां बजाते रहिए. Shambhavi Thakur from class junior KG got A+. Shambhavi Thakur from class junior KG got A+. Shaurya Thakur from class junior KG got A+. Shivangi Rana from class junior KG got A+. Taksh Thakur from class junior KG got A+. Tanaya Thakur from class junior KG got A+. Utkarsh Mahajan from class junior KG got A+. Now moving to the next class, Ivanshi Chauhan from class senior KG got A+. Ivanshi Chauhan from class senior KG got A+. Harshit from class senior KG got A+. Kavyansh Chauhan from class senior KG got A+. Kavyansh Chauhan from class senior KG got A+. Priyanshika Thakur from class senior KG got A+. Riyansh Thakur from class senior KG got A+. Rudransh from class senior KG got A+. Ruhani from class senior KG got A+. Satvika from class senior KG got A+. Sejal from class senior KG got A+. Now moving to our next class, Ashirya Prem Bhatt from class first got A+ grade. Parents are requested to clap. Put your hands together. Ashirya Prem Bhatt from class first got A+ grade. Ivanshi Rajput from class first got A+ grade. Sorry, Ishanvi Rajput from class first got A+ grade. Jaireet Kaur from class first got A+. Kudrat Bhala from class first got A+. Myra Sharma from class first got A+. Parth from class first got A+. Parth from class first got A+. Vatsal Thakur from class first got A+. Yaksh Khatri from class first got A+. Now it's time for the achievers in other activities. First award goes to Naira from class nursery having maximum attendance. Naira from class nursery. Rabani Singh from class junior KG having maximum attendance. Rabani Singh from class junior KG having maximum attendance. Aryan from class senior KG Rabani Singh from class junior KG. Aryan from class senior KG.
स्टॉक मार्केट में एक ट्रेडर को मल्टीपल डिसीजंस लेने पड़ते हैं एग्जिट करने का सही।
Now it's time to honor Prides of Rising Stars. Divyanshi Athri from class pre-nursery. Divyanshi Athri from class pre-nursery. Kavish Sharma from class pre-nursery. Kavish Sharma from class pre-nursery. Muhammad Ayan from class pre-nursery. These all are prides of Rising Star. Muhammad Ayan, Kavish Sharma from class pre-nursery. Muhammad Ayan from class pre-nursery. Saivian Mahajan from class pre-nursery. Saivian Mahajan from class pre-nursery. Viransh Gautam from class pre-nursery. Anaira from class nursery. Anaira from class nursery. Bhargavi Naryal from class nursery. Bhargavi from class nursery. Devansh Mahajan from class nursery. Devansh Mahajan from class nursery. Dhwanit Sharma from class nursery. Dhwanit Sharma from class nursery. Ivan Suri from class nursery. Ivan Suri from class nursery. Vedika from class nursery. Vedika from class nursery. Anaya Chaudhary from class junior KG. Anaya Chaudhary from class junior KG. Dhanvi Thakur from class junior KG. Dhanvi Thakur from class junior KG. Parikashtha from class junior KG. Please parents, इनके लिए तालियां होनी चाहिए. अनन्या from class senior KG. Ananya from class senior KG. Samiksha from class senior KG. Samiksha from class senior KG. Prince Thakur from class first. Prince Thakur from class first. Shivanya from class first. Shivanya from class first. Soham Diwan from class first. Soham Diwan from class first. Samar Vashish from class first. Now again, I'm repeating the words. Aryan from class senior KG who have maximum attendance. Kedanti Tak from class senior KG having maximum attendance. Riyansh from class senior KG having maximum attendance. Ruhani from class first, having maximum attendance. Thank you so much, sir.
Smile on a face, with love in our hearts, with joy in our life, we welcome you this day. With smile on a face, with love in our hearts, with joy in our life, we welcome you this day.
yours and few of mine.
Sparkling gems adorn the sky and you wish to be like them. A dazzling splendor to beautify and a long road to ascend.
As you look upon at night, you feel the wind so calm, assuming a tomorrow so bright, you embellish the innermost charm. As the night enchants its beauty and make us feel beautiful,
it side by side performs her duty by making our every night hopeful.
The galaxy of intellectual esteemed chief guest, respected Principal Dr. Sanjeev Suri sir, Vice Principal, our Academic Coordinator, invited guest, and our special guest, Mr. Kuldeep Singh Pathania ji. I welcome you all on behalf of the Rising Star School family. Moving forward with our program, now we have badge distribution ceremony to show our affection and respect to our honorable chief guest. And to do this honor, I request Miss Radhima and Miss Guntaj to assign badge to our chief guest as a sign of respect. Please, girls. झुका के सलाम करते हैं, इस दिल की दुआ आपके नाम करते हैं। मंजूर हो तो मीठी मीठी तालियां हो जाएं, क्योंकि इस शानदार से प्रोग्राम को हम आपके नाम करते हैं, हम आपके नाम करते हैं।
How phenomenal is this day! You are going to witness an entertaining and amusement program ahead. But before that, I would like to extend my heartily thankful and heartily welcome to our honorable chief guest of the event, Mr. Kuldeep Singh Pathania, who are a renowned social activist and serving as an active social worker and fighting in actual need.
He had enlightened minds with their vast knowledge and wisdom. Their substantial contribution to the field of public welfare, student education is highly appreciable. He dedicated himself to organizing farmers and laborers in Bhatiyat constituency. He played a crucial role in raising awareness about their legitimate rights and campaigning social harmony. Additionally, he practiced law from 1980 to 1985, 1990 to 1993, and 1998 to 2003 at District Court Chamba and Himachal Pradesh Administrative Tribunal Shimla. He elected to State Legislative Assembly as Congress nominee in 1985 and became a youngest member of Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly. He re-elected in the Assembly in 1903, 2003 as an independent, and in 2017 as an Indian National Congress candidate. He also have vast knowledge of international and political world affairs. He rewarded with the Best Parliamentarian Award in 1994. He also attended so many conferences. For example, he attended 83rd All India Presiding Officer Conference in Rajasthan, 19th Annual Conference of Commonwealth Parliamentary Association, 9th CPA Indian Region Conference, Udaipur, Rajasthan, 66th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference in Accra, Ghana. He also attended 84th All India Presiding Officer Conference in Maharashtra, which shows that, sir, you are the living role model to our society. So we heartily welcome you in our program. Thank you for giving us time, sir. Moving forward, I would like to call on the stage Happy Song Dance Group to come on the stage and entertain our guests and our parents. So please give them a big round of applause, audience.